All right, we're putting in some new lights today. Got a few little bits and bobs we're gonna fit on the Eunos here. Just got it back from paint, so it's looking quite nice. A little dusty right now, but drove it to work on Thursday, so it's nice to drive it to work. And let's put these lights in and see how they turn out. Lucky they're just a couple screws to get these things out. They should just come out. Okay, all right. Yeah, I've got a few little connectors. Oh, that one looks tight. Ooh, that one's tight. Okay. Ooh, that sounds crunchy. Oh, looks like it's. Oh. Wow, that happened, didn't it?
It's just as well you're replacing the lights,
Yeah,
isn't it, really?
Wow, that's very crunchy. Oh, they glued it in. They glued that in. Okay. Okay, all right.
Do you want me to get you a new bulb?
Yes, please. Okay, so getting the new light out of the bag. This is the smoked version. Oh, it's upside down. The smoked version. So yeah, so going from OE to the nice smoked one, which is going to look really good on the black car. So, and the new ones come with a new harness, which is nice. So this harness is actually broken. So looks like there's been the body shop that got the car painted. They went ahead and just glued the light bulb back in. So. Well, we don't need this harness, so we're going to unclip it from under here. Hopefully it comes out easy. Sometimes these clips are old and they're difficult to get apart. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay, so we're going to take the harness out of there and then plug it into the car first. Seems to be the more logical step. Get that snapped in. Okay, that's snapped in now. And yep, okay. Let's put the new housing in now. Okay. Ooh, it's looking good. Ooh, those are nice, aren't they? Okay, let's get screwing them in nice and easy. Oh, wrong screwdriver. Sorry about that. Oh, I thought that was a scratch. I was like, no. One of Tiffany's hairs. Okay, tighten this screw up. Okay. Nice. I like that. Let's put the harness where it's supposed to go. Ah, perfection. All right, we got some new Mazda pieces here. These are the bezels that go over the housings. Mine are a little scratched and just not looking great. So I've got some new ones from Mazda. I like the OE parts. So I'm gonna put those on. I'll take the old one off first. And then yeah, fit the new ones in. Should make it look a little bit nicer under here. That's what the look we're looking for. OE. Yeah, just 4 screws to get these off. It's quite an easy job, really. And they just pop off. Okay. Now let's go and pop this off. I've removed these already. That's why they're easy to get off. There you go. I guess at some point I will clean the housings off while I'm here, I guess.
Look at it.
You can see the scuff marks on it. Yeah, just old plastic. Always fun unwrapping new parts, especially when they're OE. See, that's a lot nicer piece that is than that old rusty, crappy, scrappy one. That's nice. Okay, let's get that fitted. Should be a pretty straightforward job. Right, let's put some screws in her. Okay. That's nice, that is. Okay, let's put the other screws in. It's a simple job, this is, but it makes such a nice improvement to the overall look of the car. Just 30-year-old plastic. Well, 28-year-old plastic, I think. Just needed a new ones. They're not the cheapest things in the world. I think they're about 80 pounds for the pair, but it does make a nice difference to the car. There you go. That's nice. Yeah. All right, is that done? Spot on, so we'll maneuver the other side. Okay, we're replacing the pedal rubbers basically on the MX5 because these are shot. So I got some new ones from Autolink off their website. Came really quick, highly recommend them. So I'm gonna put these on now and see what they look like. That's the old, now to the new. That's a nice little quick fix and should improve so you don't slip off or anything under driving. So cool, happy with that. Ooh, that's nice.
Indicators.
Is that cool or what? I'm really stoked about that. That is cool.